That's what it
Anyway,
took.
well, it is, and because of the terrible condition of the property, they would not give us a fixed rate on the mortgage when we bought it. They said the land's worth more than the house, so you have to get an adjustable mortgage. And I said, okay, I'm going to refinance that as soon as possible. So we actually just finished the process of refinancing the place to a fixed rate,
Oh my
but
gosh, just in time.
we're just, maybe, yeah, yeah. Well, I went from a three something to a five something percent in
Is that
that
what it
1
is
year.
now?
5.1 is what I got.
Dang.
But that's a cash out refinance. Okay, so I
Okay.
don't know if it's different otherwise. We have good credit, so that must be close to what it is.
Dang.
But in any case, we doubled the value of the property in a year. Uh, just working on it, and also the market going up a little bit, but it's worth double what I paid for it. And maybe I highly recommend that to people. I have friends and family, and anyone who talks to me on here is buy the cheapest place you can, and if you can buy it outright and build a house from scratch, do that too, because whatever it takes, you don't need to get into a crazy amount of debt.